Well, we're working away on the pipes now, but I've seen a slight change in what they're going to do, because all kinds of gravel has shown up and all kinds of green weeping tiles have shown up with a sock on top of it and more joints. So it looks like they're going to be putting in drains to drain everything. Would be nice if they tell us these things. Yeah, looks like they found the pipe now, and they're just going to start trying to find the leak. You can see how good the water's flowing there. There it is, I can see it, right where he's got the shovel.